The 2025 Lexus UX 300h just got a major upgrade, and if you're looking for a luxury crossover that blends efficiency with premium features, this might be the one to beat. Lexus has improved power, fuel economy, and technology, making the UX 300h more refined than ever. For 2025, Lexus replaces the previous hybrid system with the new Lexus Hybrid System 5, increasing power output from 181 to 196 horsepower. This means quicker acceleration without sacrificing efficiency. In fact, the front-wheel drive version now delivers an impressive 43 miles per gallon combined, making it one of the most fuel-efficient luxury SUVs on the market. On the outside, the UX 300h keeps its sleek and modern design, with sharp lines and Lexus signature grille. The F Sport handling trim takes things up a notch, with sportier styling, an upgraded suspension, and exclusive interior touches for a more dynamic driving feel. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin built for comfort and technology. Lexus uses high-quality materials throughout, and the interior remains one of the quietest in its class thanks to advanced soundproofing. The infotainment system is intuitive, featuring a large touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus an improved voice command system for hands-free control. Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 comes standard, including features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control, ensuring top-tier safety for every drive. While the UX 300h is packed with premium features, it does have some drawbacks. Cargo space is on the smaller side compared to some rivals, and its starting price of $37,490 places it slightly above competitors, like the Acura RDX and Volvo XC40. But for those who prioritize efficiency, luxury, and a smooth driving experience, the UX 300h makes a strong case for itself. What are your thoughts or suggestions to make it super innovative? Comment below.